Hi, I'm Matt with Matt's Customs. I build custom knives. So I grew up in rural Washington State. Consider myself an artist. Done a lot of things, woodworking, metalworking, worked in the trades all my life. Pipe fitting, currently pipe fitter in a paper mill. So knife making, custom knife making is my hobby. It's what I do to zone out. Got into it early on. Middle school shop project was to make a knife. So there I really got the bug, I guess, to make knives. Took some time off as I got older. Did a little bit in high school, but I had other hobbies, riding dirt bikes, that sort of thing. Early 20s, got married, raising a family. Hobbies kind of went on the back burner. So did some wood carving, really liked that, but eventually came back to making knives. And so making knives now is just what I do for, a way to zone out, to get rid of some daily stress from the job and that sort of thing. So one of my latest projects, blade forged out of 5160 again, or an old leaf spring. Handles are made out of stabilized myrtle wood, which is Pacific Northwest wood, more down on the coast. Also do the leather work. That I find that to be really relaxing also to do the leather work. It's another art form, of course. So it's not just the knives, it's also the sheaths. It all comes together as a form of art, and I enjoy it all. It's not just a knife. A lot of knife makers, maybe they'll just make their own knife. They don't do the sheath. They don't want to bother with the sheath. I'm not saying they can't, they just don't want to bother with that. But to me, it's like they go together, like ham and eggs, whatever. But okay. Well, enough talking. It's time to get back to work making knives.